Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, it's a blast. Trade with Tony and making fortune fast. Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow, teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves, making profit, making moves his groove. Trading waves, Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, and it's a blast. Trade with Tony and making fortune fast.
Morning traders, happy Thursday. Do it all again. Morning Alberto, Tom Coles, Dude, Neil, how you doing? Well, not a lot. Hey Hector, how you doing? Not a lot moving at the moment with good volume. Got Fun World movies. I thought I'd take a look at Donald J. Trump, but yeah, choppy as hell. Where it's taking off though. Not great volume though. That's the problem with it. Giving up well, but just not on good volume. Hey Lisa, how you doing? Good. All green's good green. Got a little bit on Cassie myself. Reds on Funware. Top momentum stock right now. Not sure if it can get over $8, maybe. Just about to hit that messy time, the algorithmic scrum time with all the spikes. So watch for that. Get a whole host of spikes coming through in a second. Well, about 25 seconds. And watching Funware there, hyped up. I have on the screen. Don't get frightened by these spikes. They're just algorithmic spikes. They're not actually the price action. If you want to see the price action, just check your market depth. Level 1, level 2. You guys watching today? Got Kathy Farmy, pharmaceutical, got Vigil Neurology, we've got Funware now. Geovax Labs, still gapping up. Ethereum did gap up, but it's pulled back. And Front Media. Volcom. Taking another move on low volume. Let's have a quick look at that big movie over the last couple of days. No, I don't like that. I mean, it spiked up and went up levels. A day ago it went up went up as high as 1260. That's what happens. Right. Now I'll give it a couple of minutes for the algo section, the 8 o'clock scrum to have passed. And we'll see what happens. Let's have a look at the market, shall we? How's the market doing today, Tony? Said nobody ever. Well, let's take a quick look at the SPY. So the SPY is an ETF from State Street called the Spider S&P 500, as you can see on the screen there. And it tracks the S&P 500. Go figure, the name's in the title. So this is a good way to check out how the market's a barometer for the overall markets. You can do the triple Q, which is an ETF that tracks the NASDAQ 100, or you can do the DIA, which is an ETF that tracks the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So there's the IWM is the Russell Index as well. So, but probably the easiest one to use is the SPY, SPY, which is the Spider S&P 500. We're up at 544. Why is that significant? Well, it isn't really. It's actually slightly down on the day from yesterday. But we did go red yesterday before the open, and we finished green. So let's see what happens today. Let's have a look at it on the daily. The 3 big red candles earlier in the week, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. We had a small green candle, and we had a big green candle. We gapped down for the open, but then we recovered that and actually finished higher than Tuesday's high yesterday. So the question is, are we bouncing? Will we get a continuation? It's actually gapping down slightly again. Will we get a continuous? Will we get some bullish momentum? The question can be answered depending on what happens at 8:30. So we've got some key data dropping at 8:30. We've got the unemployment data, which is one thing that's dropping at 8:30. We've also got PCE prices and GDP data. So that, depending on how that comes out, that could affect the market direction a little bit. So watch this space. We shall see. Want degenerate stock? Here you go. Went up 45 cents a couple of days ago. NLS Pharmaceuticals moving up big right now. Penny stock, literal penny stock. If you're a degenerate trader, go and YOLO your mortgage money onto that. That's not. I'm not being serious, by the way, so don't demonetize me. That's not financial advice. That is, if you're a degenerate gambling man, NLSP is moving big. So fill your boots. Bio. Right. Bio announces pricing of a 4 million public offering. Huh? Why is it popping? Exactly, dude. Exactly. All those dice. Oh, Carlabio, they've announced a 12.5 million private placement. So both of those dropped at the top of the hour. I prefer a private placement to a public offering. Public offering usually goes the other direction. Both low volume at the moment. You'll see. An eye on it. So, Kathy Pharmaceuticals, they've managed to plan to submit they've received a receipt of non-binding approval proposal to acquire its China business for 40 million. That's Cassie. No volume on anything right now. Just a case of sit and wait, I think. Right now it's looking the most bullish. Pharmaceutical. 6 cents on the spread. HDR of 32. Well, Les, NXL has been the mover over the last few days, but I don't think there's anything moving right now, is there? No, it's not doing anything at the moment. You know something I don't, Les? Feel free to let me know. Well, fair enough. Nothing doing this at the moment, but by all means, put it on your watch list. I'll put it on the chart here so you can see that there's no volume at all. It's not even moved up. We had a good week over the last 6-7 days. Moved up well enough, but nobody's trading it right now. Like I say, it's had some good momentum, some good moves. Yesterday was a good day for it in terms of volatility. It went up to, I think, what was it, about $4. Had a good move on Monday as well and last Friday, but I'm not seeing any net new catalyst other than what came out last week. We'll see. a quick look. What else is starting to pop? No, that's not popping. There's nothing on that. Why, that's hitting the charts on next to no volume. The bad news. Healthy Media announced positive top-line data for phase 2B carpal trial of Agora in acute pancreatitis. Pancreatitis. Not seeing any action on it though. I'll come back to that. No volume at all. Well, dude, you tend to find July and August is quieter months. They're not usually as volatile. You don't usually get as much action in July and August. You can get September, midway through September, you tend to get things happening. I'm right now. I'm kind of reliant on my options trades around earnings. So we'll see what happens next 2 months. That's really where I see making money, the opportunity to make money. But look, we'll see. Last year, July and August were okay. September was good, if I remember rightly. And I took most of July off last year because of the move. But there you go. That was such a slow fill. Press the button for the break at 6. Right. I lost 7 cents on that. Right away. Alright. You've just gone out, John. You're in or out? Oh, in. Alright, stop me out while you was messing. Virtually wiped out today's profits. Cheers, thanks, John. Hey, Vegas. Well, still green, I guess. Barely. Well, I've got to be honest, a bit sleepy today. With a beer or something. Nothing really jumping out. My goodness. So, dude. Talking about degenerate stocks. Nice head and shoulders there, mind you. We called this out like down here at 25, 26 cents. And, yeah. It's, right now, 89% up on the day. What are you guys watching? I'm not seeing anything that's worth taking a punt on even. Polarity is only 23 cents. Much higher. I'm sleepy. Shoulder, head, shoulder, break here of a neckline at 30, and then Brought it all the way back down. My timing is awful. Maybe it's the pre-market stocks. Normally I would have held that. And I'm bounced. Yeah, there you go. Like an idiot. And it bounces right there. Sometimes, like I get paranoid and think it's the market is specifically targeting my trading. And when I realise it's just my trading, which is absolutely crap, has been for the last couple of months, which is why I'm doing this instead of actually trading in my main account. I'd much rather be, risking $300 than, 30,000 or however much is in my account, 36, I think it is. Is it going to hold the whole dollar? No. What sort of limits did I have when I was starting to get profit? What do you mean? What sort of limits? In terms of per trade or per or I'm not sure what you mean. What was my max loss, or be a bit more specific in your correction? What was my daily max loss? What was or what was my limit per trade? What was my targets? That kind of thing. Yeah, my risk appetite. I was probably risking about $1,000 a day when I started getting profitable. When I first started, I think I started off about $300-400 a day was my max loss, and then it went up to 500. And then as I increased my targets, I increased my max loss. When I was doing like 5-6K target, my max loss was what I would have was 10% of whatever my equity was, which is a bit much, to be fair. Risk rewards not there on the day, would be per trade, not so much on the day. Yeah. $130 to play with. Oh, hell no, Alan. Hell no. At the start of my journey, I was erratic is probably the the best way of saying it. A bit like today, as it happens. I'm gonna have one more go at this. Yeah, absolutely, dude. I mean, like sometimes it'd be like that. Sometimes you're just not feeling it, and there seems to be one of them. S&P 500. So PCE prices dropped at the bottom of the hour, and Q1 370 versus. Read this back over to you guys. So PCE prices dropped, unemployment numbers dropped, GDP numbers dropped. All there. Got retail inventories. We've got GDP Q1 is up 1.4% versus the 1.3% estimate, higher than estimated. Gross domestic profit. Got durable goods. That's not all right. Jobless claims. Initial jobless 233,000 versus the 236 estimate. Core PCE Q1 3.7% versus the 3.6% estimate. That's for economic data. Yeah, patience and discipline are absolutely key, dude. Sometimes you just gotta lump it in and YOLO. Right. Narrowing pennant on this one. Higher lows, lower highs. IPOs are difficult to trade. You can get good volatility in them, but you've got to be prepared to risk quite a bit. And very often the reward is not worth it unless you get a good pot. So IPOs can be quite choppy and difficult to trade. Earnings, for me right now, is where I'm making money this year. That Foods didn't hold $2. Well, I'm not. This is the simulator account, so it's not target. It can't target me because this is a closed environment. It's not like I'm affecting the market in a simulator. You know, it's not as if I was on my main account and actively trading live shares. So, like I said, sometimes I think the market's targeting me, but you know, it's clearly not. It's just you realise you're having a bad day. I suppose one good thing about this, the max I can lose is $700. It's not even, but off the total, so it'll set me back a little ways. See what happens. I get frozen out for the day if I lose another $130. Yes, they do. Small cap, they do. There's commissions included. Oh my goodness. Just not stopping that one. I should have YOLO'd into it when I said it was a degenerate trade at the beginning, the way I've been trading. Look at that now, over 40 cents. Yes, that's very choppy as hell, isn't it? On its way back up again. What's it doing? 10 at the 9. Oh, look, it looks this day. My trading for today might be spent. But I'm not going to panic. What we're looking at, this is Blue Star Food Corporation. ESFC is the ticker. Did look strong. That's why I thought, okay, it makes a new high. Keep going. Hey, look, sometimes it behaves erratically. So, Blue Star Food provides 2024 revenue guidance of at least 65% growth with anticipated annual run rate greater than 20 million. That's the news drop. That came out bottom of the hour. Current high of day. Current high of day. We're looking at 40. Can we get a new high, daily high? Not even get a new swing high yet, so 5-minute candle high would be nice. 33. Up to the 9. $254 will be great there. Let's have 254 like small cap size. Oh, we got a swing high. Going. Oh, for God's sakes. Got 7 cents. That's just terrible. Terrible. How it fills me there, I don't know. That won't count. I will be if I qualify there, Stone Cold. Well, you got your 253 there, small cap. I get $3. Well, there we go. We're back in the game. Don't pull back. On it needs. All that good work waste. Oh, another try, another attempt. For at least 320. I can pull 30 and above, 350 maybe. See. Don't want it to do. Sell at 310. Like it's 7's the high of this one. Take the loss. I'll take the L. Yeah, it is, but also look, it's looking weak. So No, we're out of earnings season, Jack. So options will come back into play in July when earnings season. So second, third week of July, earnings season begins again, and then it's usually lasts for about 5-6 weeks, and well, about 6-7 weeks earnings season. You get earnings out of season, but the main focus, and that's when the options come into play, Jack. Thanks, breakout. Got me. All that hard work, but back to where we started. Bounce on the view, what would be nice, back up to the highs, like that. Yeah, no, absolutely, dude. The MACD has crossed over, actually. We could get a bounce on the VWAP, otherwise, got me out. %, up on the day, as it stands. That's me done. That's me done trading for the day. Oh, well, we'll stick around for half an hour till they open. That was a valiant effort. Today, not every day is going to be a profitable day. You got to understand that. It's but a scratch. Well, worst case scenario, I'm risking $300 if this continues the way it did, like tomorrow. So, you know, not a big deal. A bit of a dent in the effort to get funded. So that works out yesterday's gains and a bit besides. Daily max loss on this account is $700. I have been trading though. I mean, I was just contemplating, should I just whip up the dash trader now and start trading on my CMEG account? But I'm like, nah, it's not worth it. I mean, the whole point of doing this is to get back to consistent trading. I've just not been doing it. I looked at my statistics since February, and they're absolutely atrocious. Less than 50-50 in my trade selection in terms of trade accuracy. I may as well flip a coin. So I need to get back to basics, and that's what this is hopefully going to help me do. Enforce some discipline. TikTok, you are a absolute arse stain. Can I buy this today? What depends on what you're trying to buy there, Muxie. Can you buy this stock today? The SFC? Yeah, well, absolutely. Or can you buy Egg Trade with Tony in terms of the education? Yeah, go on, check the link tree in the bio, in the profile. Or can you buy the evaluation from Trade the Pool? Yes, you can. I don't know what it is that you're trying to I don't know what you're trying to buy, Muxie. But we're in pre-market right now. We've got half an hour before the bell rings. I'll be locking up after the bell rings. Yeah, it's looking very nice actually. It's looking strong. I mean, getting in for $3. I think this is probably going to go on again and break highs. And look where it stopped me out. Stopped me out, bounced right at the bottom, just underneath the VWAP. There's a lot of people putting the stops there below the VWAP. Mine just happens to be 10 cents from where I got in. But a lot of people put the stops just under the VWAP. VWAP at the time would have been 79. So on the $3/4 dollar, it went all the way down there, and a lot of people put their stops on those key levels. Just be careful in terms of stop hunts. They don't know where your stop is for sure. Individually, what they do see is the whole demand of orders that are on the level 2. And they'll go liquidity hunting. It's not so much stop hunting as liquidity hunting. So those key levels, quarter, half, and whole dollars, the psychological levels, we as humans, the majority of us dumb money traders, will put our stops on those levels. Best thing to do is look where the support is, but where the previous support is. Or if you get into those levels, put it below those levels. Don't put it on those levels, put it slightly below, because what you tend to find is the algos go liquidity hunting, and they will pull the market makers will pull the price action back to those levels for liquidity. Making it back up to plus 350. Very easy. Current high of day. Pre-market high. About 25 minutes, just over 25 minutes before the bell rings. Micro algo. Come back to this one in a second. Look at micro algo. Micro algo. Pop, pulling back, not great volume, but worth watching this one after the bell because it has been very volatile over the last while. Knows what it might do. Careful with it though because it is choppy and it moves quick. It does have wide spreads. Right now the spreads are like 16 cents on micro algo. Oh, all the way back up. Look, watch, be careful of the double top here. The M pattern needs to break new highs now. Don't chase it here. Wait for it to break new highs and then a pullback. Want that confirmation. Right now, it's a bit dangerous to get in up at the top here, up at 320, 325. Always risking that double top where the resistance is. Not seeing too on a level 2 around 325 though. One of those new highs there. Now you wait for your entry. Careful here. Doesn't get the continuation. Broke new highs. Now you're looking for this pullback here. Next candle to make a new high would be what you would look at as interesting. Getting closer to the open, the more dangerous it becomes. Straday. Have a quick look at Straday for you. $0.02 right now. Like Straday, I mean, it's extremely highly shorted. Huge short interest on Straday, so potential squeeze to happen there, Amrit. But just be careful with it. Now you're looking at 320. That is your option. I don't trust this one. Now look at the devil horns on the 5 minute. Good set of devil horns on the 5 minute. Hey Matt, how you doing, buddy? I would say 20. It has to get back over 320. Looks interesting. Looks interesting. It needs to fill that wick on the 5 minute. Potential one there on the 1 minute, on the 2 minute. Open handle there, start of small cap. Exit at 20 on its first attempt. Straday breaking highs now. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. And share it on your social media. Hit the share button. Post it on Twitter or X or whatever you call it now. Facebook, post it wherever you like. Bag setup. Break higher than 320. Seems to be finding support on the 9. Popular strategy is buying the 9 with the 20 as your stop. And that would have been a good strategy to use on this one, and taking profits as you go. Every time it touches the 9, you press the buy, and then have the 20 as your ultimate stop. You take profits as you go. You could have made a killing just on that one strategy on this chart. Right to 320. All on to new highs now. Interesting stock, this one. There we go. There's the new high of day. What you're waiting for. $35 and 15 cents on that break of 320. And counting. High again. Breaking highs here. Oh, I hope you're all making coin here. Hope you making bank. Looks like it could be heading for 4, Adam. Remove my stop. Yep. Could have got rid of my stop there at that stage and let it just stop me out. I'd have been in this. Still. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. Well, probably not good for today anyway. Obviously. Went to get an afternoon nap and just couldn't manage it. Halfway, just about to nod off, and the little girl comes in and started jumping on me. And she's got the doctor's button. Hop on pop. Don't stop. Don't hop on pop. There's the top gapper, top momentum stock, top everything this one today. BSFC, Blue Star Food Corporation. Why is it moving? Well, they announced its 2024 revenue forecast, and they're talking about 65% anticipated growth with an annual run rate of 20 million. So that's why it's moving. So basically, good revenue forecast, basically. Currently up almost 90% on the day. Got a little over 10 minutes before the market opens. The question is, does this continue after the bell? Is this going to be the gap and go of the day, or is this going to gap and crap? Will we see dip and rip at the open, or will it just be straight up into a halt out of the block? BSFC, Blue Star Food Corporation. Not a lot else moving. That's why everybody's watching this one. I know, we're getting something else start to move. Low volume, we'll just have a quick look at that on the chart here. Is it worth taking a look? No, but it looks like a pop and drop. PT Biopharma. Pops up, but approaching $4. If it gets back over $4, it might be worth taking a look at. We'll come back to BSFC, but we'll come back to Blue Star. Another pop here. It's not great volume right now. It's not volume at all, but just gets back over $4. Will be interesting. Let's see the reason for it. PT Biopharma have announced FDA clearance for their IND application. Phase 1 trial to begin in H2 24. Initial data expected in H1 25. It was investigational clearance for an investigational new drug, the treatment of leukemia. The impression, if it gets a bit of volume, nice catalyst in your treatment, potential new leukemia treatment. Yeah, Adam, Carla seems spent. I think the big pop on Carla was earlier. Good cat. Right, now let's pull it back a bit. just for you, Adam. Let's see. Alan. Sideways underneath the VWAP right now. Faraday. You low price stock degenerates. Very strong up there at 60s. And if you've been buying the 9 and have the 20 as your stop, you would have been stopped out once on this. We bought it here, and it would have gone all the way up. Obviously, selling when you're making decent profit, or taking profits at least. Bought more here, and not even sold it to pull back down. You bought more here, all the way up. Selling and taking profits up at the top. Get stopped out here. That's where your stop is. Pulls all the way up. Buying there, you don't get stopped out. You're making new highs and making profit. So, AMC's on the move, you say? Is that you talking facts or wishful thinking? Let me have a look. That's you wishful thinking. It's barcoding. That's not. I would hardly say that's AMC on the move. It's barcoding. It's not going anywhere. There's no. I had a reasonable day yesterday. In that went from a low of 439 all the way up to a high of 469. But it was a green day. But across the whole day, I mean, what's that? 30 cents. Come on. And it's barcoding right now. I would hardly say that that's on the move, Adam. Come on. AMC is not on the move. I wish it was on the move, along with the rest of the 8 crowd, but it's not. Yesterday, a new medical. No volume at the moment, but it's just to the upside. No volume on that one either. Oh, I'm sleepy. I think it's going to be an early night for me. Absolutely stone cold. Why not? Why not? Like that biopharma. Like the catalyst. No volume on it yet, but it's got a little over a minute before the bell rings. So in fact, I'm just going to change my scanners over. Hang around for a couple of minutes after the open, and then I'm going to go and drink some alcohol, I think. Look at Biopharma. Does that happen at the bell? Get another surge from the SFT. Those are my two on the watch for the bell. Right. SFT looks like it's curling. Go. There is the bell. Well, there you go. New highs. 50s. 54 today. Right? Continues at this rate. New highs, 360. On the scanner right now. Oh, I did. I'm skidded. Dropping on my ankle. Faraday broke high. Up to 69 cents. I think $4 is a good target on this one today. 2-Star Foods. And then bit of a flat top there, and then wedge into that flat top. Third attempt at 65, 365. high, 72. Go back. Highs there. Cala. There you go, Adam. Cala. Mentioned it pre-market when it started to peter out and just go sideways. Cala is new high there of 646. Novak's got a high of 268. I'm up here, about to break the highs again, I think. 70s. Cala rejected hard. Short the wiener. Medical is vomiting down. About to break $3. Side side. Already pulling back. This one is still, I mean, if you've been still looking at the 920 strategy, it still wouldn't have been stopped there. Bought the 9 on the first that first pullback. It would have moved up. Make profits over that level. Or by the 9 here, you wouldn't have got stopped out and moved up to break highs. Take some more profits up there. Buy the 9 here, it wouldn't stop you out. So buying the 9 in terms of pullbacks with the 20 as the stop, looks like you might get stopped out here, might not do. But it's not a bad strategy. In a lot of cases, when you're going to end up, ultimately, you're going to end up losing at some stage. You're going to end up getting stopped out at some stage. But there you go. So it's just hit the 20. That would have been the first time you got stopped out. That will come back to SFT. Cala looks to be breaking highs. So, Cala Pharmaceutical. Not got that pre-market high yet. Pre-market high was 677. We've got 10 cents to go on that session high. Pulling back, got rejected up there. A hard pullback. Have a look at NXL. Another one you mentioned there. Premarket. Adam just petered out at the end of pre-market, but look at that. I mean, that's just that's nice. Had a reasonably good day yesterday before pulling back in terms of volatility. So in fact, it's been quite volatile this last 3-4 trading days. Excellent technologies. And it holds $3. Volume's not huge on it. Not done a million shares yet today. The volume's not huge, but hey. Already breaking lows now. Dollar's looking nice. Go back. Breaking highs, 280. Ready 5. And that's 10 minutes in. So I'm going to go and hit the alcohol. Get myself an alcoholic beverage. So you guys, get green, stay green, get to goal, and then get out. Know yourselves. In the meantime, I'll be back tomorrow. We'll do it all again. 7 o'clock. And Geovax is absolutely flying. But yeah, so we'll do it all again tomorrow, guys. Take it easy in the meantime, guys.
Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day. Helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the win.